Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how we can repair some things with a 3D pen. Here I have the 3D stereo drawing pen. There are a lot of these on the market and they seem to be pretty easy to handle. You have the thing which you can heat up. You have to select the right input type and you heat it up, and then you can feed this material. It's either PLA or PBA, and I just wanted to see how it is, or if it is bonding to normal plastic. Let's say there's something broken here, or you want to improve something. Does it really work? Does it really bond to normal plastic here? Let's say you want to increase the size of these feet. I mean, we cannot produce rubber feet, but let's say it's overheating and we want to have a little bit more space here underneath. I mean, it can go to Walmart and buy a few feet, but just pretending we would need that, or we want that. So I have everything set up, and now I'm feeding the PLA material and trying to bond it here. So now it's ready to go. I hope it's focusing nicely, more or less, and we are close here. Yeah, it's hot. I mean, I have a little bit of the old thing left. I'll put it out, and yeah, it's already difficult. I tried just here. I'm not really experienced with that, so I'm just putting something here. Stop this. Maybe I'll try to build a little bit of a pile to simulate how it would be like with a foot. So okay, I'll let it cool down. I'll push the thing, pull the thing back here, the PLA material. So here we are with the thing. After the cool down, of course, it's a really nasty thing what I have done, but I just wanted to check how good this thing is sticking to existing plastic, and it looks like, gee, I didn't expect that. So it's almost impossible to take it away, and the good thing is, I mean, even when it was sticking really good, it didn't really damage the plastic here. Unfortunately, can't tell you what kind of plastic this is, but it seems like pretty standard plastic. It's nothing really weird, nothing strange. And also this thing here, it's holding up really nicely. I have to really push hard to put this away. It leaves a little bit of residue, but not much. I can almost completely take it off. So it's absolutely perfect. I would say if you want to improve such things, or you have to repair, I mean, you could even, if there's a like a crack or something like that, you could even like glue it with this thing. So yeah, it's actually at least as good as expected. I mean, I was hoping for something like that, but it almost exceeds my expectations, because it isn't really nicely sticking. It had nicely bonded, but it didn't damage the whole thing, and it's not unremovable. It is removable, but you really have to pull hard, and yeah, it's a nice thing. So I would say, I mean, it depends probably on how much you put here, and yeah, how hot it really is. The PLA, I think, is 10 degrees less than the PBA, so probably it will be better with the PLA. But if you want to have a stronger bond, maybe you go with the PBA. Maybe that's PBA anyway, and it will maybe then like bond perfectly. But that's something which you can use not only to make really nice things here with children, but you can also have this in your household to repair stuff or improve stuff. I mean, imagine this had a handle and the handle fell off. you could definitely easily create a small handle with that. So yeah, it's a pretty cool thing, and I almost would say, yeah, that's something which you really have to have in your household to repair some basic plastic things. I mean, you get all these things, all this nice PLA here. That's a lot of stuff. You can definitely repair a lot till you're running out of the plastic here, and the handling is really super easy. Yeah, you get everything for $40 or $50. I mean, this thing is about $50, and I will definitely put down the link to this one into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like, because I think it's a nice one. It really works. I've never done anything with a 3D pen. I've just started working with it a couple of minutes ago, and it's already pretty easy to handle. Actually, it has just these 3 buttons to start and stop and pull it back, and here we have the temperature and the filament setting, and yeah, it's everything what you need, and I can definitely highly recommend to buy something like that and have it ready in case you need it. And yeah, it doesn't use a lot of space. I mean, this cardboard, yeah, this box, I mean, if you want to keep it, yeah, maybe it makes sense for all these filaments, but you actually don't really need it. You could store it in a even smaller place. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.